come Managing Director of Sija Hospital, Dr. Palin, has emphasized on the need to dispel rumors and misinformation associated with organ donation in order to encourage more organ donors and to help save lives through this noble act. Dr. Palin was speaking during 16th Indian Organ Donation Day 2026 observance, which was organized by Sija Hospital on the theme "Hope Begins with One Thoughtful Decision" today. Speaking further, Dr. Palin stressed on the importance of organ transplant while citing the huge gap in organ demand and actual donation. While adding that organ donation in exchange of money or other favors is illegal, Dr. Palin also informed about the future plans of Sija Hospital about introduction of modern medical practices and technology such as robotic transplant.
Public disease organ donation से Manipur बिहार थाना तभी अतः कई सालों की खेल रहे हैं गुवाहाटी दर्शन से बना वही एडवाइस है गुवाहाटी अदो but it was already done covered अदो Manipur से development India का even beyond healthcare का करना नासो एरिया से KBO incompatible blood kidney transplant issue that could silence it. But issue that part of the second